Hello, my name is Dejan Archer. I'm the founder of DigiTechnoverse, and I'll be showing you how to use a node for Substance in Houdini. Before you can do this, you will need to have the SideFx lab downloaded to your Houdini version. Once you have that, you can be able to access the Substance node. While using the node, I'll be showing you by making a generated wall. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to get a box. Okay. Let's go inside the box. Let's get a transform node. Let's get a line node. Let's get a line node. Let's get a UV texture. So when we do the substance node, we'll be able to adjust the texture to it. First thing you need to do is look for a texture. So let's go with a stylized texture. Stylized wall. Yeah, stylized Inca temple wall looks pretty good. Now with that, I'm gonna look for another one too. Now let's go in our download folder. Check if it's there. Okay, let's get another one. So let's see how Stonewall looks good. Alright, something more cartoonish. Let's do this stylized brick. We're gonna be downloading that too. Checking if it's in our folder. Okay. Now let's get back in this Houdini. Okay. Now as we have our substance material node, and now we got a substance material node, let's go and drag our downloaded textures. We're gonna put it in the file path, and sometimes we get an error that comes when it comes to the substance node, because I guess it's experimental. So sometimes you have to go into the top and then reload it. Yeah, it says bad files. So just reload it and then it'll fix it. Then you go back and see, there you go. Right, nice stylized texture. And transform node too. So I kind of adjust it. Then we're gonna rotate the X 90 degrees. Scale the Y. Okay. 27. It's looking good so far. Now, I like to always just change the texture type to face. I like better look on the edges. So now with this line, we're gonna have to connect it with the box so we can be able to generate multiple walls. So we're gonna need copy to point. So I connected the first node slot. And then we're gonna connect the line to the second slot. And there we go. Right now it's stacking on each other. So we're gonna play with the length a little bit, the points. But let's change our direction. Right now it's going from the Y, but we want it to go to the X. Okay, and adjust our points so we can have multiple walls. Right now we have 5 walls on each point of the line, and sometimes you have to adjust the length because the spacing can be a bit off. But it's 4. Alright, that's looking good. You have your line. Adjust it as much as you want, or how many walls you need. Okay. Now I'm going to duplicate this so we can have a wall going upwards with Y. Connect the previous topic point we made, and we're going to connect it one more time to another line. But this time we're going to change the direction of the Y. See? Now not only can I change it from sideways, but I can change it from up and down. Horizontal and vertical change of the walls. Let's check it out in the render. Okay, it's looking pretty good. Has a nice little bit of shine to it. The details of the texture is looking perfect right now. That's one thing good with this whole experimental feature for the substance node. It makes the textures come out like great details. And one thing also is good about it is the fact that when you have the substance node, it can allow you to keep the same parameters that was made with the substance material. Now I'm gonna try the stone one, so let me refresh that. There you go. Pretty simple, just an easy switch back and forth. Then let's adjust some of the parameters to it. Color variation, crack intensity. Yep. There those videos from the Inca Temple wall. Yeah. So change the stone density. Change the color to whatever you see fit. Go in there. Okay. And a nice emerald look to it. Let's change the UVs a little bit. Okay. Let's check it in the render view. We have our stone wall. And we have our brick wall. Okay, that's good. So pretty simple, easy to switch out in textures. One thing definitely is to remember to check the parameters, because sometimes when you switch out the different files, it still keeps the previous texture parameters. I hope this helps anybody who looks, and thank you for your time. You have a great day.